I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Gravity form in WordPress. First, you will need to purchase and download the Gravity Forms plugin from their official website. Once you have the file, log into your WordPress dashboard as an administrator. Go to the Plugins menu, click Add New, and then upload the downloaded plugin file. After a quick upload, simply activate the plugin to get started. This process usually takes less than 5 minutes. Now that Gravity Forms is installed, let's build your first form. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Forms and click New Form. Give your form a descriptive title and an optional description to help you identify it later. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add fields like text boxes, drop-downs, and checkboxes. You can then customize each field's settings, such as its label, placeholder text, and whether it is a required field. After building your form, it is crucial to configure its settings. Go to the Settings tab for your specific form. Here, you can set up confirmations, which are messages or redirects users see after submitting the form. Equally important are notifications. You can configure email alerts to yourself for new submissions or send automated responses to your users. Gravity Forms also offers seamless integration with many popular third-party services, enhancing your form's functionality. The final step is to embed your newly created form onto your website. Simply create a new page or post in WordPress where you want the form to appear. Within the WordPress editor, you can easily add the Gravity Forms block and select your form from a drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use the form's unique shortcode. Once embedded, publish your page or post, and your Gravity form will be live and ready to collect submissions from your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.